Staying on with stories from India, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and delegates from over 30 countries attended the tri-service exercise Bharat Shakti in Rajasthan on Tuesday. While air, land and sea defence equipment manufactured in India were showcased at the exercise. WION's Siddhant was on ground and filed this report on India's integrated tri-service firepower and the maneuver demonstration. Take a look.
Pokhran witnessed the trinity of India's Atmanir Bharta. Tuesday's 50-minute exercise displayed India's tri-service for indigenously manufactured weapons. From the graceful light combat aircraft Tejas to the powerful T-90S Bhishma tank, the exercise demonstrated operational readiness of the tri-services in countering any threat. Beginning with Akash weapon systems. These are short-range surface-to-air missile systems to protect vulnerable areas from aerial attacks. The entire weapon system is configured for mobile platforms and is currently operational with both the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army. Moving on to Pinaka multi-barrel rocket system. Produced in India, the Pinaka has a maximum range of 40 kilometers for its Mach 1 iteration and 60 kilometers for the enhanced Mach 1 version. This system can unleash a salvo of 12 high explosive rockets in a span of 44 seconds. Then there is the MBT Arjun, indigenous battle tank. Equipped with a 120mm rifled main gun and indigenous ammunition, the Arjun entered Indian Army service in 2004. Powered by a 1,400 horsepower MTU engine, it has a top speed of 70 km per hour. The exercise was not tailored to any one direction or adversary. It also had systems and platforms integrated with artificial intelligence. The Indian Air Force achieved favorable air situation by engaging in detailed strategic targets, and the Navy conducted maritime operations with strategic effects. But due to terrain restrictions, some parts of the naval segment of the exercise were displayed digitally. Logistical capabilities for transporting equipment and evacuating injured and casualties were also demonstrated using cutting-edge technology.
I'm few kilometers away from Jaisalmer. I'm here in Pokhran, and this is the location of the Bharat Shakti exercises. Now, these exercises lasted for 50 minutes and showcased two things. First, the Indian military might. We know the three services were involved. The Air Force, the Army and the Navy, all three were involved. The second, of course, is Make in India, a message that the Indian Prime Minister also gave. He, of course, witnessed the exercises as well. And then the Make in India policy of the Indian government, the focus is to manufacture defense equipments here in India to reduce reliance on importing defense equipments. Essentially, that was the key highlight of the Indian Prime Minister's address. But all in all, the demonstration which we saw, which lasted for 50 minutes, was something to witness. It saw the demonstrations by the drones, fighter jets, by the tanks as well. But essentially, that was the showstopper and visuals that will live for many years to come and showcase India's military might. Siddhant for WION in Pokhran, Rajasthan.